Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. Today is January the 21st, 2023, and right now we're looking at summer squash. The rest of the bed perished in Hurricane Ian, but this particular plant seems to be doing well, which I'm kind of shocked by that, because there are some advantages to growing in Florida's winter, and they have to do with the pestilence and the bugs. So basically, you've got the root knot nematodes, the vine borer, squash bugs, and then the loopworms. Those are the four main invaders for squash plants here in Florida. Root knot nematodes, they're affected when the soil temps go below 70 degrees. They go dormant. Same thing with the vine borer. And then the squash bugs, they disappear during the winters, and so do the loopworms. But as soon as spring breaks, you see all these things come out in rapid force. So right now, if what we're witnessing is the opportunity to grow squash plants in the winter, then that might be something that we can do going forward. Now, the condition of this soil is that 12 inches from the top here, it goes down into below this surface area. So it goes down into the ground further. And it was inoculated. This is leaves and detritus that was inoculated with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi. So it seems to be doing the trick for keeping this squash plant alive. Also, I've provided minimum care in regard to this particular squash plant. Basically, I set it and forget it. And here it is thriving. So I'm really interested in what the outcome is for this squash plant. Are there any fruits? I don't see any yet, but I see flowers, so that's a positive sign. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow, and please do stay tuned, as I will keep you updated on the progress of this summer squash, which is growing in the winter. Have a good day.